Today's wine text is Tabarrini Sagrantino de Montefalco 2013. So again, I know we did a Sagrantino probably a couple months ago. It was one of the first wines that we ever did, but just a little recap of what Sagrantino is. So Sagrantino is a grape most known from the Montefalco appellation in Italy, in Umbria. What is important about this grape is that it is one of the thickest skinned and full-bodied style grapes that you can get in Italy. These wines are unbelievably tannic, unbelievably textured, a lot of dried big blackberries up front, while being pretty massively high in alcohol. So this is right around 15%, which is on the brink in the dry wines of being there are some wines, Australia and some other areas, Amarone, they get 15.5, 15.7, but 99% of the wine made in the world pretty much caps out around that 15% alcohol. This is an aged, or what we call an age-worthy wine. This wine needs time. 2013, 6 years old, it's still a baby. I mean, if you're going to open this now, which I don't think there's anything wrong with opening it now, but I open these style wines hours before I drink them. I think it needs a lot of air to open up and a lot of aromatics to come through with some of that oxygen that hits the wine. Something really cool about Tabarrini that people don't know is that this is the winery, or the first winery to ever do single vineyard specific Sagrantinos, which means what they do purposely is to source out specific terroirs and then express Sagrantino grape through the terroir more than it matters of just making a wine just to make Sagrantino. So yeah, these wines, unbelievable. The discount on this wine is insane, and like I said, this is easily a $65, $75, $80 bottle of wine that you're getting at a massive discount, because good rated Sagrantino is so rare at this price point. It's nearly unheard of. So enjoy.